Hello, lovely people. This is your girl PJ. Today, I'm here to share with you how to make Africa. That's how they call it at Togo, or Bofrot, Ghana street snack. So just sit down and enjoy. So I measure 3 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl. I go in with 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I mix everything together very well. Then I add 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I mix everything together very well. Then I go in with my hand and start working with the dough to bring everything together. Now I transfer it to my bowl and start working with the dough slowly. So I'll be mixing it for 15 minutes so the dough is nicely soft and smooth. Don't forget, I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I'll continue mixing it. Guys, I like tapping my dough on the board because it makes it very smooth and nice. Now the dough is ready. Can you see how soft and nice it's looking? So I'm arranging my paper. And then I start cutting my dough into small pieces to start making my Bofrot or Africa. At this point, make sure you put some flour on the paper or spray some oil on the paper so that if you are coming to fry it, it will come out very fast. Me, I did not put anything on my paper, that's why when I'm coming to fry it, it worries me a little. So I'm using scissors to cut the top to make it some crunchy at the top, but it's optional. If you like, you can do. If you don't like, your Bofrot will still be nice. I cover it to rest like 1 hour. 1 hour later, here we are. The dough has doubled the size. My oil too is hot. It's time to start frying my Bofrot or Africa. And I'll be turning it small so the turn is golden brown. At this point, the oil is not so hot, and if it's so hot, your You end up burning outside of your bofrot, but inside will not cook. At this point, my bofrot is ready. It's time to remove it from the iron. Can you see how nice this bofrot is looking? Do you love what you are seeing? I hope you enjoy this recipe. If yes, don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to the channel. Share the video with your friend. Give your girl a thumbs up. Guys, the second one too is ready. So now I'll remove it and start enjoying it with my yogurt or tea or porridge. I hope you love the recipe. I hope you are going to try this. Try it and let me know your result at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.